Good day, futures traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update live trading alert call room Monday, August 24th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did. We had 2 trades in the gold. We had 5 trades in the NASDAQ, all winners. Just, one was a smallerish one. But the other, we just had a ton of monsters today. 2 of them were actually small. 4 were monsters. When I say small, I mean, 15 to 30 ticks. I mean, that's small that's average for us normally, but small for today. And since we had a lot, I'm going to run through everything here from left to right, again, in no particular time order. I called an understanding trade 1946.8 on the 957 candle. The trade made 15 ticks. I told everybody the minimum it should go is 15 ticks. Actually, the first time I said it could go 15 to 20. If it doesn't go, we'll re-hit it again after that. But again, after 15 ticks, you're either going to have small profits or a break even worst case scenario, even if you were holding runners the way we tell you to manage the trades. And then the market comes back up, went down again, boom, pounded again. And that was just a monster. Made over $1,000 a contract, guys. This is from 946.8. Went actually $1,200 and went to 34.8. Target was hit, guys. This target here was what I called this target when the market was in here, and it's actually never sustained lower than that the whole morning here. 35.8 or so. So that trade made again between $1,000 and $1,200 a contract. Again, you're not going to get that on all your contracts because we take profits along the way, but certainly on any runners, you could have gotten that. And then you could have taken off in the middle as well. So that was just a monster trade. And then we just destroyed the NASDAQ today, just destroyed it. We got short at, never any heat on these entries at all. I mean, we got short a 680, quarter 680 on the 954 candle. This went down 600 ticks. Our target was hit here. So we got 680 quarter there again, just on the first initial push. Went over 320 ticks just on the first push. For people who were out, we hit it again. We got short at twice actually. This was one entry, but we hit it 2 times. We hit it on the 1006 candle here, and that was at 2050. And again, it went over 80 ticks. Okay, and then when it came back up, we hit it again, and it went even further than that. That time it went from 2050. Well over 100 plus ticks. Well over 100 plus ticks. And again, just straight down, boom, went back up, triggered, boom, straight down. Market came back up. Then we hit it again. This time we hit it at 11,599.50, and boom, it went from 599 all the way to 529, 70 points, 280, almost 300 ticks. Just a sick day. On our targets, this was our targets right here, guys. And that's basically the low of the day. Once they did that, I told everybody there's nothing else that the market needs to do to the downside. We would try longs because we had higher targets here, 20, 10, and 25. We got long the first time here in an S play, around 81, 82. And I said specifically they had to sustain above 93s, but they would at least attempt to get near there. And again, of course, if you're in from 81, 82, you got over 40 plus ticks in the trade right here, 40 ticks. Go to entry. I said, if it doesn't follow through, we're going to find a way to get in again. We had downside entry. We had upside entry. It held here. So we hit the upside again. This time was on an understanding trade at 93 quarter, and boom, it went all the way up 10, 25. I said 25 or higher would be the target. We closed the room. So people were getting out. We closed the room right there. Once it got to the 2025, the 10s were hit.